Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer your eFootball account to another mobile device so you don't lose your progress and you can play with your account in any device that you want. So let's get started with the video. On the old device, open eFootball and go to the settings, and in the account section, make sure your account is linked to Konami ID or Game Center ID if you are on iOS. Whatever you use to create that account, you want to choose that option. On your new device, install eFootball from the App Store or Google Play Store and open the game. Now simply tap login on the main screen and select the same account method that you used on your old device. Enter your credentials like your username, email and password, and you will be logged into your account. If you have entered your credentials correctly, and your game data including team, points, GP and progress will automatically sync to your new phone. Make sure you are connected to the internet during this process, otherwise it may not work and you might get into trouble as well. And that's it guys, you have successfully transferred your eFootball account to a new mobile device. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe and comment if you have tried moving your account before. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.